video, I am going to suggest one idea that you can consider when you are looking to buy a stock. So, frankly speaking, the reason I'm making this YouTube video is because just recently I got asked by a friend on what stock they should be buying and whether or not I have any recommendations. So anytime I get this question asked, a number of things run into my mind and I will share those suggestions with you. So I get this question asked a lot: what stock should I be buying? And this question is raised by my friends, coworkers, and also people online as well. I tell them this, and actually even before I tell them anything, if I know them well, I already know what kind of profile they have, or what kind of goals they have, or what stage they are in their life. And let me explain that to you in just a bit. When you are looking to buy a stock or when you're looking to invest, it's important to figure out, are you looking for something short-term, long-term? Are you looking for high growth, or just something passive, or you want to be conservative? So all these questions and more need to be taken into account when you are looking to buy a stock. So if you go to a bank and you ask them, hey, I want to purchase a mutual fund, they will ask you to fill out a number of questions, and then they will determine based on those questions what your profile is. Are you a investments type of, in my social circle, they are around my age and tend to be high growth. And I do want to mention one more thing. A lot of my coworkers and their employer taking care of them, which include funding to their mutual fund and things like that. So honestly, their pension or their post-retirement investments that have already been taken care of. So naturally, a lot of people, when they reach out to me, they are just looking for stocks that they could just throw their money at. Having said this, this is my answer. I tell them, hey, buy a company whose products you use on a regular basis, or buy a company that you really like and you like to associate yourself with. So for example, if you purchase Apple products, go buy an Apple stock. If you like Starbucks, go buy Starbucks. Go for McDonald's, go for Lululemon, go for anything that you like and you trust. And when I say trust, I don't mean you trusting the management, you trusting their financial statements. No, none of that. I'm saying you go buy a company you like, products you use, and chances are you will do just fine. If you're in a small town and a company is big enough to bring that product to your town, it must be well established and it must have big reach and a lot of cash flow, and is probably well managed. If you live in a city, same thing applies. So that's one important thing to consider. Again, you don't have to do any financial analysis or anything like that. This kind of idea, if you check the work online, it's a pretty good idea, and it requires a whole lot of work on your end. Second thing I want to mention is, if you check what the top 20 favorite brands in the US are, you will also find a strong correlation between those stocks and the ones performing really well in the indexes, either NASDAQ or SP 500 or even the New York Stock Exchange. The top most favorite brand in the US is Apple, followed by Amazon. Starbucks is also on there. Tesla is number 20th, I think it's near the bottom, or maybe it's number 10th. So the point is, people, chances are they're selling a lot of products, and there's a good chance that the company is also very well run, and there's a very good chance that the stock will also do good. So that's my word of advice. It's not even advice, it's an idea. If you're looking to buy a stock, buy something you like. Buy Facebook, Meta, buy Snapchat if you use it. Buy Microsoft if you use their products at work or whatever. Anyways, that's it for today. Until next time, goodbye.